welcome you guys. Today we have come with a new game, Would You Rather. This is Gina, like you all know by now. Rather. Okay, so today we are playing this Would You Rather. So we have few questions for each. So we'll give two very stupid options, life and death, and you have to imagine it's a real situation and then reply accordingly. Okay?
Alright.
So I'll start first. Okay, so my question for you is, would you rather have diarrhea for 3 months or would you be constipated for 3 months?
I think diarrhea.
Yeah, that was quick. Like ekdam pani wala. It's like constantly every 5 minutes you have to go.
No.
So then it's like that bad diarrhea for 3 months or no poop at all for 3 months.
Then I'll go for constipation.
Seriously?
I'll vomit like अंदर का remove.
The poop you'll vomit, yeah.
अरे खाना ही निकालना है ना.
But then it is it's in your large intestine.
The other option.
And
you
it's
gave
like
me
piling up.
was shit. Like I'll have to rather basaw my gun in the washroom.
I would do that. I wouldn't mind doing
no,
that.
I
I would take some medicine, na?
So in constipation also I can take a medicine.
No, but then you're constipated. You're not allowed to poop.
No. I think constipation.
You'll go for
Yeah.
constipation. Okay. Ask yours.
Would you
Mm-hmm.
rather eat poop or a worm?
Ew! Like my poop or poop in general?
Poop in general, like okay, like would you think that? When
No,
you
I'm
poop,
just
it'll
like
be
a poop served randomly
Your
or
poop
then
will
my
be,
poop. Ha, it would be my
tasting.
not tasting, but then it jaisa bhi hai, it's mine.
Good thinking.
I would eat worm.
Okay.
What about you?
Obviously, worm.
Worm. Okay. Would you eat dal chawal for rest of your life or stop playing PUBG? Since you are a huge PUBG fan,
I'll stop playing PUBG.
seriously, you'll
It's
choose that.
anyways getting banned. So yeah.
So you'll stop playing PUBG
Yeah.
instead of eating dal chawal every
yeah,
week.
yeah.
Okay.
So other question: would you rather have the ability to teleport or able to read minds?
I think teleport.
Yeah.
Huh.
Why?
I'll be like staying the fuck away from everyone and then I'll just be like everywhere. You? Read minds.
Yeah.
So bothered about what is going in people's heads.
Panchayat.
Yeah. Would you rather give up your love life or your work life?
Oh. I think love life.
Huh?
Sucks anyways. But yeah, love life.
I would give up my work life. Like I did it already. Like when we had to go to Bangalore, I
But you
literally.
resumed.
But then if I had to choose, right at that time. Like work life or love life. So I was like work, I left and then we went to Bangalore, shifted, this, that and that.
No, I would rather
Yeah, na?
do my work life. You know my choice. I think you would also suggest me to.
Got way too personal there. Yeah. I would suggest you to not. Yours was a little extreme situation, huh? It was not like just choose and then get back to it. For me, it was like I left that particular work, but then I started working again later. Yeah.
Next. Would you rather be the richest or the smartest?
Smartest.
And then you'll make money out
Then
of
I'll
it.
make money. Yeah. You?
Same.
This phone got to stop locking itself every second. Okay. Would you rather be smelly or unfunny? Like you're with this boring person, like nobody wants to be friends with,
Like
nobody
fun
wants to-
Bobby without drinking.
Like fun Bobby minus fun. Or you would be smelly all the time.
Smelly.
Huh?
No, I'm just
Thinking.
I think smelly.
But still, if you're so smelly, people will anyway be away.
But then I don't know.
You'll put
Like
deodorant, yeah. Okay,
Would you rather never have to pay for travel or
Hmm.
never have to pay for food? What would you choose?
This is difficult. I think traveling is expensive, no?
Yeah.
But food is every day.
But then you can still travel to places and then you can
Yeah,
try food. You can have rekri ka khana.
Yeah. I'll never have. I'll choose the first option. Never have to travel again.
Pay for travel.
Never have to pay for travel again. Okay. Would you rather lose your nose or lose all your hair? I think this is very easy for you. You'll just be like, I knew her. I knew that you like know her so much.
Yeah.
So well. Okay, you.
Would you rather be able to talk all languages or
Hmm.
talk to animals?
Talk to animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, talk to animals.
It's fun.
In a heartbeat, like I'm just like talk to animals. But what like all languages I still have to talk to people, so I'm like
Yeah.
animals it is. Would you rather lose all your money or lose all the people you love?
I think people I love.
Yeah. Like would you want to lose all the money you have or all the people you love?
It's gonna be really greedy, but yeah.
Seriously? So but what about people you love?
Any which ways, you know how
Are you
like
that-
looking at how much money I have, they any which way start loving me. So I'll have to put those people
But
back.
your loved ones, like your friends, your family.
Yeah, so that's why I said if I'll have enough money.
But what if you don't know them at all? Like
How
you are
will I
at a-
not know them?
Like you're at a place now with lots of money and you have lost all the people. No? It's not like no memory is erased. It's like the
I get
people
you,
have.
people.
And you will have to pay for their plastic surgery with the money. Like Monica after she does.
Yeah.
So money minded, huh?
Good too.
Okay, next.
Would you rather win a lottery or live twice as long?
Lottery, definitely. What will I do like living this long, giving that garib zindagi? No? What would you do?
Yeah, obviously.
Win lottery, definitely. Would you never have a burger again or never have a pizza again?
Never have a pizza again. I
Seriously?
hate pizzas.
That is one major different thing. I think there are other differences also, but I am a pizza person. Like burger, pizza, any day pizza.
No, burger. Would you never mentally age or physically age?
That's a toughie. Matlab, what's the point of having a sharp brain but being like...
But then that's good, right?
No, but then I'm not physically able to do
How,
anything.
like, even if you, people call you dumb otherwise.
No, I'll be physically, I think.
Yeah?
Matlab, I think mentally sharp okay bhi if I don't have that physicality of performing stuff. You understand?
I don't know. I think
Like I'll be bedridden because I'm old and I cannot walk because I'm like 100 plus and I'm just lying there smart, not doing anything about
no,
it.
but then there are people, a lot of people who are.
Like you'll be like Stephen Hawking.
Yeah, then.
Okay, I'll be physically, what physically
8
young?
years
Would you rather never use your phone again or never watch a movie again? Movie or series or whatever.
Never use my
Phone again or never watch a movie.
I think I'll never watch a movie.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same, I think.
And I don't think nowadays there's any good
Yeah.
content also in the movies.
Irrespective of that, when it comes to never using your phone again,
Yeah.
you would rather use a phone, do some other time pass and
Drop your new phone or drop a puppy and it dies.
oh, this is puppy. Like I'll not do the puppy thing. I'll do the phone.
Phone.
Thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, why did I even take that long? I was in the sadma of puppy dying. Brutal. Okay, would you rather go 10 years in the past and relive or go 10 years in the future?
I think 10 years in the future. I don't
Seriously?
think my past was anything.
But you are getting to relive, right? So you can
Relive.
change.
I can change, yeah. Like you never said that I can do anything. You just said you can relive. So
But then in the future also you are getting older. You want to go there.
yeah, I'm okay with it.
But I don't know. So, but if you have the knowledge, current knowledge, so you'll go in the past and change the past, not make those stupid decisions.
Yeah. If
I think
get-
that is very common. Anybody, like now that you are all knowledge with everything.
Yeah,
you
I
would.
would change.
But if not that, if it's just reliving, you don't want
Yeah,
to.
then I would probably want to see
Go
my
in the
future.
future. Okay.
Your turn.
I
Would you
have
lose
some.
all your teeth or all your hair?
I think all my hair.
Hair.
Yeah. I cannot eat food, then what's the point of living with my bald head?
True.
Or maybe we can lose the head and then we can buy a wig. Like we have solutions, but I don't.
I think wig is a good option.
Yeah. Would you rather know how you will die or know when you will die?
Not know when will I die.
Like, would you rather know how you are going to die, or you want to know when you are going to die?
No, I don't want to know.
Both.
It's there, right? Like, I would rather not know how will I die.
No K and no W वाला no.
No,
हाँ.
how will I die
हाँ.
or when will I die.
हाँ.
Oh,
कैसे मरेगी वो मालूम करना है या फिर कब मरेगी वो मालूम.
I get it, I understand.
You asked me thrice. I'm just like translating.
I think know how will I die.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Why?
When then I will just be very restricted, right? Like I'll just be.
No, when से उल्टा पता चलेगा ना. If it is like 10 साल बाद, you will be carefree for 10 years. But if you know कि you are going to die by
No,
a
but
car.
then I don't want to also have that in my head, no, for the next 10 years of my life that I just have 10 years. Oh, I just have 10 years.
Seriously? How में तो you will be like कि car accident में I'm going to die. So what? You are going to avoid cars?
No, I would still try. But then still.
What's the point of you
But
knowing
that's
how
my
you are going?
perception.
I don't know. If it was me, I would know when I'm going to die, so that I know when it is, and then I'll plan and I'll do whatever I want to in that whatever time.
My turn.
How में तो I'll be constantly be worried. Like if it is a plane crash, I'll be. I don't want to know how.
Would you rather have hiccups for the rest of your life or feel like you are about to sneeze?
That's such an ugly face to make all the time.
Yeah.
I think I'd rather have hiccups.
Hiccups?
You?
Yeah, I think hiccups.
Okay. Would you rather never have internet connection or never be able to take a flight?
Internet connection.
You're okay with that? Like you're okay with no internet connection?
Yeah, I'll probably invest that time in traveling, no? Making memories, bring back memories.
Okay, next.
Would you rather be buried alive
Second option.
or put chili sauce as eye drops?
I think second option still. It's so.
Chili
So-
sauce. It's like chili sauce.
Second option. What about you? But
Yeah,
even
chili.
that is very painful. Eye drops, chili.
But
sauce.
that's for a while, right? Would you rather turn invisible or be able to fly?
Fly.
Yeah, I would want to be invisible.
And do what? Check these out. Check
I
these
just
people
said
out.
I'm a big panchayat, so I would want to know what are people doing.
Oh, हाँ ना. When they're not there, you just do like stalking. Openly. You need not even be
झूठ कैसे
subtle.
बोला?
Nice. But no, I would want to fly. Like, it's ironic because I'm afraid of heights. But
Yeah.
still, I would want to fly.
Would you rather fart loudly or pee in your pants?
What was it? Would I fart loudly or pee in my
Pee in
pants?
your pants.
I think fart loudly.
Yeah, no, I think
Yeah, peeing and like too much mehnat of washing clothes.
washing and then it smells and blah,
and
blah,
cleaning. Yeah, just fart loudly, live your life happy. Would you rather be abducted by aliens or kidnapped by terrorists?
blah. Aliens.
Yeah, but that's so unknown, right? What if it's like wrong turn? People are like cutting your ear off, eating off you.
That is a different thing, but at least I'll get to see something,
Achha, like
know
that.
some
But terrorist, हाँ, even I
different
would do that.
culture, like
Their
food
lifestyle.
creation,
हाँ. Okay, same.
So, would you rather kill 5 criminals or 1 innocent person? That is so
5 criminals.
Yeah.
I don't mind. I'll be like brutal. That is it, guys. That is it for today.
Bye-bye.
I think we had tough questions. We were having kinda, some questions were tough.
Yeah, somewhat like
Yeah. The baby questions have stayed with me. Like, would I drop a puppy? Or that one.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.